This is Maria with Cork and Platter, and today I'm going to show you how to make low-carb bacon and tomato sandwiches. The first thing we start with is bread. Instead of doing mayonnaise, we're going to do mustard, and I use honey mustard. So this one is a basil pesto. Spreading that on the bottom, and I think that goes very, very well with tomato and bacon. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the bacon on the bottom. So I'm going to use these beautiful beefsteak tomatoes. Look at how gorgeous these are. So we're going to season with a little salt, bring out the flavor. And then I like to personally put a little bit of pepper on there. One of my favorites too is lemon pepper. There's a little bit of lemon zest in it, and it brings out an amazing flavor in your sandwiches. So the last thing I'm going to do is put half of an avocado on the top portion of the bread. And I'm doing this as an alternative spread. And then we top it with arugula. I love that. I love arugula. I love arugula better than I love lettuce. There's something about it. It's just got a pepperiness to it, and it's prettier, and it has more flavor and it's got more nutritional value too. So then we're going to just top this with our top loaf of low-carb bread, and then we're going to slice it in half. And there you have a beautiful low-carb bacon and tomato sandwich.